What's going on, guys? Here's the first small sample. 2 links put together. Got a roll pin in there holding it together. It's printed out of ASA Carbon Fiber. Looks like it's pretty good, holding up. Still have to attach on the Velcro pieces here, but we'll see how the other ones come together first. Here's the first 2. I got another 12 links printing at the moment. This is going to be going on for a while. This is what happens when you're too cheap and don't want to fork out all the money to buy an actual belt, right? You print your own. Any of you guys else feel the same way?